Hi, Mr. King Ideas. Let's talk about love language. Love language, paano mo pinapakita ang pagmamahal? There are different way na pinapakita at nararamdaman ng mga tao ang love. At ito ang concept ng love language. Ayon kay Dr. Gary Chapman, meron 5 main love language. Words of affirmation, act of service, receiving gift, quality of time, at physical touch. Iba-ibang paraan ng pagpapakita ng love ng bawat tao, kaya mahalaga na malaman ang love language ng iyong partner para mas maging malalim ang iyong relationship. For example, if your love language is word of affirmation, you feel love when someone tells you I love you or gives you compliments. But if your partner loves language is act of service, they feel love when you do things to help them, like doing chores or taking care of them.